Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can block adult websites on iPhone. I'm using an iPad, but you can follow the same steps on your iPhone. So first, you need to go to the settings on your iPhone or iPad. Then you need to scroll down where you will find the option screen time. Tap on it. It will bring you here. Scroll down where you will find content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it. The first thing you need to do is to content and privacy restrictions. You need to enable that one. Once you do so, then go to Store, Web, Siri, and Game Center content. Tap on it. Scroll a bit where you will find the option Web Content. Tap on it. And as you can see, it is unrestricted. All you need to do is to tap on Limit Adult Websites. So if you want to allow any website, you can just enter the website URL here. If you never want to allow any website, you can enter it here and that website will be blocked. So guys, this is how you can block the adult websites on your iPhone. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.